Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Plastidip. Going to do a quick 90-day review on it, any issues I've had with it, and would I do it again?
Yeah.
So overall, I would say I'm pretty happy with it. This kit has been great. The car has held up great with the dip. We've had a few little issues here and there, but nothing major with lifting. Lifting mostly on the hood, right around here. I guess where all the air that hit it. But other than that, it's held up great. It still looks good. It still looks as good as the day I sprayed it. It's super hot right now in Florida. And yeah, it doesn't come out every day, but still, the heat here is stupid. And you can see it still holds up great. The shine, the pearl in it. I miss the black sometimes, but I don't miss cleaning it. So, I don't know. You know, heck, I even looked the other day. I didn't use my little bib. DipYourCar gives you in the kit, and I sprayed some E85 all over it. I had E85 all over it, and it did nothing to it. I was worried. Yeah, this car's made me lazy to wash the car. This dip, I mean. I really don't want to. It looks always kind of clean. Like with black, it always looks dirty. And this always looks kind of clean unless you get real close. So it's like, I'll wash it next week or the week after. Honestly, the DipYourCar kit, it came with everything. The color's Mardi Gras Pearl. I'm going to put a link to the color and all that stuff on the description. I decided to make a video about this because I get probably 2 to 3 messages a day asking me about this. How's it holding up? Or where'd you get it? What color is it? Stuff like that. Anyways, I did this job. You can look at one of our first videos. This job was done inside that garage. This was on my first time, and I'm real happy with the way it turned out. Hold on, see right there. You see it? See the purple? That's the biggest reason I got this color. So, real happy with it. So yeah, I did this job in my garage, and is it perfect? No, it's got its little boo-boos here and there. I would say it's about, I don't know, 97% perfect. It does, the white likes to stain a little bit. I don't know if that's like bird poop, whatever. Or every now and then I get these little yellow, but they seem to fade pretty quick. But it's really good with like preventing rock chips. I have no rock chips in my bumper. And with that Anderson composite bumper, it's fiberglass, and that sucker likes to chip. So I was able to cover up a lot of the rock chips I had from before, and I haven't gotten any more. So that's one reason to like dip. Anyways, I'm still happy with the kit. Would I recommend it? Yeah. Do it on yourself. If you're any somewhat handy, anybody can do this. The prep took the longest. I think it probably took us 9 hours start to finish with the prep work and spraying. I think it has 8 coats of the white and like 4 coats of the satin with the pearl in it. The satin, the gloss, it's the gloss with the pearl in it. And I mean, it took all day. It was an all-day project. I was exhausted by the time we got done with it. I am seriously considering it. Doing it maybe on the Daytona Supercar. I'm not sure yet. But and I want to do it again on this car. I just don't know what color. I wanted to go completely flip it from the black to the white with this car. But I don't know what else to do next. Anyways, guys, give me some ideas. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, hit us up, subscribe, comment, let us know. Here's what we use to maintain the dip. Alright, basically, dip wash. It says concentrated to use with dip. Looks like a regular soap, acts like a regular soap, but it works fine. I use it with a regular towel, and it does the job. It works pretty well. Paint thinner. Now, paint thinner is used to maintain the dip when it comes to lifting. Paint thinner will actually activate the dip again and make it sticky again. It's pretty cool. You literally put it on your finger. Put a glove on, put it on your finger. If you need to be safe, this was lifting. You just come back with your finger with a little bit of paint thinner. Just kind of do like that, and it sticks right back, and you're all good again. And right here, dip coat. Dip coat. Stuff is actually pretty awesome. It does exactly what it says. I do it about every 2 weeks. I haven't done it in over 2 weeks, and it's still looking pretty good. So I'll probably do it here this week. But yeah, it's good stuff. It smells really good too. But anyways, that's pretty much all you need for any kind of maintenance, I want to say, when it comes to Plastidip. It's pretty simple. Nothing crazy hard. And you literally treat the car and wash the car like anything. Heck, I've even pressure washed this car. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, comment, let us know what you think.